forgetting. My theory is that he's the devil of forgetting because what would the devil be scared of? Being forgot about. And that would make him lose all his power. Just like how the control devil is a thing. That would be what Pochita is. I don't know why it's a chainsaw, but that's my theory. But at least that's what I'm going for my canon